In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest pin in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top and type Pinterest pin, then press enter. This takes you to the correct canvas size for Pinterest, which is a tall, vertical format that performs well on the platform and keeps your design looking sharp. You'll see a gallery of ready-made designs. If you want a quick starting point, pick a template that fits your topic and style. Templates are fully editable, so you can swap out images, colors, and text. If you prefer complete control, choose blank Pinterest pin to build your layout from scratch. Next, bring in your own visuals. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select the photos you want to use. After your images finish uploading, drag a photo onto the canvas. You can resize by pulling the corners and double-click to reposition within a frame. If the photo sits behind something, use the position controls to move it forward or backward, and consider leaving some negative space so your text has room to breathe. Now add your headline. Click Text on the left, then add a heading. Keep your message short and clear so it's easy to read on mobile screens. With the text selected, use the top toolbar to choose a font, adjust size, and change color. High contrast helps. Dark text on a light background or vice versa. You can also tweak letter spacing and line height for better readability. Refine the look of your design using the top toolbar to customize fonts, colors, and overall layout. If you have brand colors or a specific style, apply them here for consistency. Align elements to the center or edges using the alignment guides that appear as you move items around. To add visual interest, click Elements on the left and search for icons, shapes, or stickers. Simple shapes can frame your text or create subtle backgrounds that make words stand out. Keep graphics cohesive and don't overload the design. Clean and focused pins usually perform best. Take a moment to adjust spacing and alignment across the whole pin. Make sure margins are even, text isn't too close to the edges, and everything feels balanced. A tidy layout increases clarity and clicks. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right, then Download, and choose PNG. PNG preserves crisp text and graphics, which is ideal for Pinterest. Your Pinterest pin is now ready to upload. Save it to your device, and you're all set to post it on Pinterest.